Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Social Pie. I am Ayan Khan and today in this video we are going to solve a question that is x minus 2018 times x minus 2019 times x minus 2020 times x minus 221. This is equals to 120. Okay, and x is a real number. We need to find the value of x. Okay, so let's start the video. So one thing that we can do for solving this question is that we can use substitution for solving. So let's say that a is equals to x minus 2018, right? Okay, so we can replace this by a. So this is a into x minus 2019. This is same as x minus 2018 minus 1, right? So this is our a here, so this will be a minus 1. Similarly, this will be a minus 2, and this is a minus 3, like this. So we write here a minus 2 and a minus 3. This all is equals to 120. Now what we will do here is that we will multiply some suitable digits such that we will get same results with little variations, like if we multiply a into a minus 3, okay, and a minus 1 into a minus 2. So a into a minus 3, that's a square minus 3a, right? And a minus 1 into a minus 2, that's a square minus 2a minus a minus plus 2 is equals to 120, right? So this ultimately is a square minus 3a into a square minus 3a plus 2 is equals to 120. Now see, we have a square minus 3a. We can replace this by any other number. Let's say this is t is equals to a square minus 3a. We are doing substitution again. So and if we see in this one, we have a square minus 3a but with 2, right? So this will be t into t plus 2, which is still equals to 120. Now this is the final step. T into t square, t into t, that's a t square, right? And into 2t, this is 2t, minus 120 will come here, this is minus 120 equals to 0. So we have a quadratic equation here, right? Let's solve this. So we will use the quadratic formula, which is t is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b, that's minus 2, plus square root of 2 to the whole square minus 4 into a, that's 1, into c, that's minus 120, all over 20, all over 2a, that's, so this is 2a, that's 2 into 1. Now this will be minus 2 plus square root of, that's a 4, plus minus and minus plus, so this is 4 plus, that's a 480 upon 2. Okay, so here we will get 484. Square root of 484 is 22. So this is minus 2 plus 22 upon minus upon 2. Okay, so minus 2 plus 22, that's 20 upon 2, that's a 10. And we'll have minus also, minus and minus here. So minus 22 and minus 20 minus 24 upon 2, that's a minus 12, right? So what it means is that t is equal to 10 and 12. T, we will put this value here. Okay, so first thing that we'll get here is that a square minus 3a is equals to 10, and a square minus 3a is equals to minus 12, since we have two values for t, right? So from here, but since we had a 2 also here, right? So we will have two different equations. We will have plus 2 here. Okay, let me write that clearly. So this is a square minus 3a equals to 10, first equation, and a square minus 3a plus 2 equals to minus 12. Okay, so by a direct check we can conclude that the solutions for this one are not real, and we needed, and since x related to real numbers, so we will just remove this equation. Looking at this one, a square minus 3a equals to 10. Let's see. We have a square minus 3a equals to 10. That's a square minus 3a minus 10 equals to 0. Okay. So for solving this, let's use factorization. So two numbers which add up to minus 3 and multiply to minus 10. What are they? So they are minus, that is they are positive 5 and positive 2. Okay. So this is a is equals to positive 5 and negative 2. Okay, not positive, negative. Now we have got two different values of a, but a was x minus 2018, right? So from here, if we put 5 here, this is x minus 2018, still we will get the value of x is equals to 2023. And we had another equation, so that is minus 2 is equals to x minus 2018. We went there and we get minus 2 plus 2018 equals to x, and this is minus 2016 plus 2016 equals to x. So the two values for x is 2023 and 2016. So this is our answer. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.